How to make a Game Pass in Please Donate Roblox Mobile. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So basically what I got to go ahead and do is firstly claim the stand. When I claim it, it shows me if I want to do a tutorial. I'm going to do no. Now to get a donation button like I do, you're going to have to basically make a Game Pass. So you can't actually do that within the game itself. So what you're going to have to go ahead and do is go over and leave the game. So we're going to leave it right now. Then go back. And now on the top left, press the 3 lines. Then you're going to see a lot of options, but we want to go ahead and press create. Once we press create, we're going to see our places. So go ahead and go to experiences and then make a place if you haven't already. On the top left, press the 3 lines and then go to monetization. Then go to passes. Now we want to create a pass. So you can name it anything you want and add a description. Once you go ahead and do that, it's going to be shown over here. Go over, press the 3 little dots on whichever one it is, and then press edit settings. Now, when you press edit settings, you're going to see a lot more. And then you're going to see sales as one of the options. And then you can switch the item for sale. And then on Roblox, that's it. You're going to have the button, the donation button.